Hi AP Physics. I'm here to give you some information on your notes to make sure that you can maximize your success from them and your grade from them. So we got 5 simple things here. First one, make sure you put your name on top of the page when you're writing notes, preferably in pen. That sort of makes sure it's yours. Number 2, the notes need to be neat and dark. There should also be pictures. Every set of notes I've taken notes on all the ones you have pictures. If they're doing an experiment, like a demonstration, draw a quick sketch. Number 3, when you take the picture, make sure the area is well lit. Make sure the page is flat on the surface and make sure you are directly overhead, not at an angle. That gives the best picture. Also, double check the picture. Make sure it's in focus. Make sure it's readable. Number 4, you need to be turning them in through Google Drive. There's a couple reasons for this. 1, it corrects the file format. So if you've been turning in HEIC file formats and I've been kicking it back to you saying I can't read this, Google sort of takes care of that. Also, you can't be turning in pictures via one big file. So when you turn it into Google Drive, you can change the name of all the individual pictures so that they're the topic being covered. For instance, if it's 6.1, put 6-1 kinematics or whatever the case may be for that unit. 6.1 is not kinematics, by the way. Number 5, these are for a grade, so do a good job. If you got a 95%, that's a good grade. That means it has the elements that I thought it was supposed to have in it. Those are going to be harder to get though. 90 means you did a decent job, but you probably should have had some more stuff. Below a 90, I most likely left comments, but your notes are Spartan. By the way, Spartan means the bare minimum. You do not want your notes to be the bare minimum. As I've said in class, the bare minimum is just enough to make sure you fail. Hundreds are rare. That means you did something extra. And I can't tell you what that is, but something extra that make those notes really stand out and make sure that it looks like you took time and probably learned something from them. I know a lot of you don't like taking notes, that you've been able to get through high school without it. This is a bad habit that will hurt you in college. I have never met anyone who's been able to get through college, including myself, without being able to take copious amounts of notes. So get in the habit of taking good notes. If you need some review, make sure you go through this actual video again to make sure you're doing it correctly. Again, ask me questions on Remind and look at the comments I'm making when I turn your notes back to you. Not everyone's getting comments, but a good majority of people are. Have a great day.